Sanbonani igama uSkhumbuzo wakwaDlamini, the dribbling wizard inja ye-game. We out here a community hub eMaponya, eSoweto, where I've been for the past 2 weeks, where we've been doing e-podcast training. So I'm a content creator. I come from a broadcasting space. I'm currently running a podcast, Guwethu TV SA YouTube channel, where we're doing a podcast that is called The Game Changers. So basically, The Game Changers, it's a sport podcast, but where we go behind the scenes within the sports industry. Last xoxisana khona nabantu abenza izinto ezihlukahlukene within the sports. So we talk to coaches, we talk to trainers, we talk to referees. So please look out on the channel, subscribe. And then coming back to what I've been doing la eMaponya, which was the podcast training, it's been a great platform ukufunda more about e-podcasting in terms of where we are as a South Africa within the space. And part of the training is the fact that they've offered us the content studio or the podcast studio la ama-episode alandelayo we-Game Changers ngizobe ngiwacophela khona. So watch out and look out for opportunities within the community hub khona la eMaponya eSoweto, and watch out for iWethu TV for your episodes we-Game Changers.